Hello friends, good morning. Myself Alpesh sir from Arihan Coaching. I am with the new video for class 9, the chapter construction 11.1. Now we will do the rest of the angles and they are 105 degree. 105 degree and here I will explain 75 degree. Both are identical. So these two angles we have to do simultaneously. So first I will explain 105 and for that draw a base line. It is consider BX. Then from B we have to draw a semicircle arc by taking random measurement. From B we have to construct a semicircle arc by taking random measurement. It is a semicircle arc from B by taking random measurement. These arc will intersect to ray BX at C. From C we have to make first arc. We can say it is Y. It is Y. From Y we have to construct another arc. We can say it is Z. It is Z. Now by taking more than half of YZ or YZ, first arc upside from Y and it is from Z. Now where both the arcs meet, we can say it is U. We have to join with the dotted line to B and U. This is B and U. We have to join with dotted line. This way, here we can say it is V. Now if we consider this is 60 degree, this is 30 degree, this is 30 degree. Now if we make half of 30, it is 15. So 60 plus 30, 90, 90 plus 15, 105. So half of V and Z we have to join. So for that purpose, we should take more than half of VZ. This is VZ. And draw arc from Z and other arc from V. Where both the arcs meet, we have to give name. It is A. Now join BA. So angle ABC is 105 degree. Angle ABC. So this is 15. 15, 30, 60. It is equal to 105 degree. So I hope you understand this 105. How will we do? BX, then semicircle arc. From C, first arc Y, second arc Z. From Y and Z, we get U point from Y and Z. Then join with dotted line. It is V. Now by taking half, more than half of VZ, we get point A. Join A and B. It is 105. Now friends, with the same kind of construction, we will draw 75 degree. And for that, first we have to join with baseline. It is X and Y. Now from X, we have to draw a semicircle arc. From X, I will draw a semicircle arc. It is semicircle arc from X. Where both the arcs meet, arcs and line, it is A. From A, we have to get first arc, it is B. From B, we have to get another arc, it is C. This C must be extended. From B and C we have to construct an arc to upside this first arc, and from C it is second arc. Where both the arcs meet, we can write down D. Now we have to join these X and D with dotted line. These X and D join with the dotted line this way. And where this dotted line and semicircle meet, it is E. Now E to B, it is 30. So 60 plus 15. Here we have to do half of B and E, and it will be 75. So take more than half of B and E, one arc from B with the same measurement from E. Where both the arcs will meet, we should give some name of the point. Here I will give name Z. Now we have to join X and Z. So angle ZXY is 75 degree. So friends, it is equal to 75 degree. So once again I would recap how should be drawn this angle. First ray XY, then this semicircle, then with the same measurement from A, B, from B to C, from B extended, and from C it is cut, so D point. And D to X dotted line, it is intersect at E. Then we should take more than half of E to B, more than half of E to B, from E first arc, from B second arc. Where both the arcs meet, it is Z. Join X and Z. This is 60, this is 15, this is 15. So 60 plus 15, 75. I hope you understand this 75 degree. And one more, it is 135 degree. For that, we have to draw a baseline first. It is a baseline. We can say it is M and N. From M, we have to draw a semicircle arc. From M, we have to draw a semicircle arc. By taking random measurement, I have drawn a semicircle arc like this. It is semicircle arc. Where semicircle arc will meet, it is first point A with the same measurement. Mind well, measurement must not be changed. From A, it is first arc, we can say it is B. Now from B, we have to make second arc, it is C. Now from C, once more, it is third arc. It is third arc. We can say it is D. Now from B and C, extend the arc from B and from C, both the cut, and where both the arcs will meet, we can say it is E. Now we have to join M and E with the dotted line. M and E with the dotted line like this. And where this dotted line will meet to the semicircle, we can give F. Friends, now we have to take measurement more than half of D to F. Mind well, D to F more than half like this. Draw arc from D. With the same measurement, we have to draw arc from F. Where both the arcs will meet, we should give the name. Here it is P. So join M and P. Join M and P. So angle PMN, it is equal to 135. It is 90, it is 45. It is equal to 90 plus 45. I hope you enjoy the construction. It is one of the easiest chapters. So you should keep watching videos repeatedly and try to complete the chapter. I hope all the students love this construction and enjoy it by keep practicing. Stay home and stay healthy. Goodbye.